This is a nail design I did for Halloween. It's pretty good. Pink. And hopefully I'll try a new design. These I got at Walmart. These things are awesome. I have a lot of this kind of stuff in my house. I love glaze. I love the oil scent. I love the candles. This is another one. These are like $3.97, I think. And all you do is pour them in your candle, and it smells. Damn, it smells strong. It's good. And this is caramel, and this one is spice. It's like a cinnamon kind of smell. So I got these. Okay. Cool. Alright. Bye.